Okay, so I have now used this leather strap from Journey for about 3 months. And the reason for that is that I would like to see how good it ages and the patina on the band and so on. And if it would change the color a bit to a bit more dark. And actually it has. And that was exactly as Journey said. When I unboxed this, it was a lot lighter brown than it is now. So if I take this off, hard to do on video, but now it's off. As you can see here, it's a bit lighter brown in some places, as you can see. And that is how it looked when I got it. But otherwise it has aged very well. As you can see, it's much darker now, and I like that. I really love the darker color of the leather, and it has holding up very, very good. You can see it has some tearing here, but that is because I use that hole to fit my wrist, so that's why you have a bit of tearing here. But it doesn't bother me much because it's not broken or something. It's not that, because you can only see that you have used it a lot. So in that way, I think this is a perfect Apple Watch band actually. The only thing I don't like with this, and I said that when I unboxed this and tried it for the first time, and that is that it has the black color of these on the sides to mount it on the Apple Watch. I don't like that because my is aluminium, silver, and it would have been much nicer to have this in silver and also this in silver. But I guess that this is for space gray Apple Watch, is my guess. And I don't think they do one for the silver version as I have. That's a bit of a drawback, but not too much. I think this leather strap looks gorgeous, and I've used it for 3 months, as I said, and it gets even better. And one of the best things with this leather strap is that it's waterproof. Leather straps doesn't like water so much normally, but this band do. That's really great. But here we have the original Apple magnetic leather strap, leather magnetic link. I really love that. So I will go back to that now after using this for 3 months, because this one is still my favorite. But I will of course use this, but probably not until next summer, because I like to have this outside in the hot summer. So I will probably go back to this later next year in the summer. But this magnetic leather strap from Apple have been used for a year now, and as you can see, have some aging as well, but I still think it looks really nice. It's excellent quality, has excellent leather quality. So from now on, this will be my daily driver on my Apple Watch. I'm going back for the magnetic leather strap from Apple. As you can see, very easy to have it mounted on your wrist. So that's about it. I can highly recommend this Journey leather strap. You will find links down below in the description text where you can buy this. Okay, bye.